Hello, students. If you want light to come into your life, you need to stand where it is shining. So, to shine, keep on studying with us. Here is an interesting story for all of you from your book, A Pact with the Sun, chapter 3rd, titled The Shepherd's Treasure. Shepherd means one who tends and grazes sheep, goats, etc. जिसे हिंदी में चरवाहा या गडेरिया कहते हैं. And treasure means wealth, खजाना. So let's begin. Once there lived a poor shepherd in a village of Iran. He was uneducated but very wise. He understood people's problems and solved them with courage and common sense. Soon he was known far and wide for his wisdom and helpful nature. The king heard of him and sought a meeting. Him. As I told you that the shepherd was very wise, kind and helpful. He helped solve the problems of those who came to him for help. This made him very popular. So the king wanted to test the qualities of the shepherd about which he had heard so much. The king knew that if the shepherd saw him as the king, he would not act as he did before common people and make a false show of good behavior. This is why the king appeared before the shepherd in disguise of a common shepherd. So, dressed as a shepherd, the king rode a mule. What is mule? A half-breed horse, and reached the cave where the wise man lived. The shepherd received the king cordially, welcoming him with water and food. The king rested for the night in the cave and was greatly impressed by the shepherd's hospitality and wise conversation. But the shepherd was able to make out that his visitor was none other than the king. Ready to leave the next morning after the night's stay, the king thanked the shepherd for his kindness and hospitality. As the white shepherd had recognized the king and told him so, the king was much pleased with the wisdom of the shepherd. He made him the governor of a small province. तो राजा चरवाहे की बुद्धिमत्ता और अक्लमंदी से बहुत ही प्रभावित हुआ और उसने उसे एक छोटे राज्य का राजपाल बना दिया. The new governor became greatly respected and rose in power with his quality of wisdom, sympathy and goodness. His kindness and justice made him famous across the country. The shepherd was not affected the least by his newfound position of power and influence. He remained as humble, kind, helpful, and just as he was before. The other governors were jealous of the governor's rising power and fame. They wanted to pull him down by making fun of his simple, humble way of life that he led even after being appointed to the high office. They accused him of keeping a part of taxes collected for himself. बड़े राज्यों के अन्य राज्यपाल उस नए राज्यपाल की प्रसिद्धि और लोकप्रियता से ईर्ष्या करने लगे उससे, है ना, और उन्होंने उस पर राज्य के एकत्रित करों के धन का व्यक्तिगत दुरुपयोग करने का आरोप लगाया. They spread the word that he always carried an iron box with him in which he kept his ill-gotten wealth of stolen tax money. उन्होंने ये बात फैला दी कि वह सदा अपने साथ एक लोहे का बक्सा रखता है जिसमें राज्य से एकत्रित कर यानी कि टैक्स में से कुछ धन चुराकर वो अपने लिए अलग से एकत्र करता है. The king heard of this and called the wise governor to his palace for an explanation. The wise governor came to the palace riding his camel. The iron chest was with him. All the governors and high officers were present. They were happy that the governor carried his iron chest along. Now he would be caught red-handed with the tax money. The iron chest was opened before the king and everyone present there. To the surprises of all present, the iron chest contained no wealth. It contained only an old blanket. When asked the reason for carrying the blanket, the governor replied that it was his oldest friend. He said that if the king were to take away his governorship and the clothes of his office, the blanket would still serve him and cover him. तो देखा आपने कि लोहे के बक्से में कोई धन नहीं था. ये देख के सभी चकित हो गए. उसमें एक पुराना कंबल था. जब राज्यपाल से पुराने कंबल को साथ रखने का कारण पूछा गया तो उसने कहा कि वह कंबल उसका सबसे पुराना मित्र है. यदि कभी राजा उसको उसके पद से हटा दे या उसके कपड़े वापस ले ले तो वही कंबल उसका दोस्त बनेगा और वही उसकी क्या करेगा, रक्षा करेगा. The king was greatly pleased with the man's humility, honesty and wisdom. He appointed him the governor of much larger province. The jealous governors hung their heads with shame. So in this way, Shepherd showed an example of both his humility and wisdom. Humility because one should never forget one's past and remain humble even when in power. Wisdom because power and status are temporary things. So one must be prepared to face difficult times at any moment in life. That's all for today. Take care. Goodbye.